Are you like me? Are you bored in the house and you're in the house bored? Are you looking for something to do? Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Dub. In today's video, I will be transforming this plain old desk that's originally from IKEA that I got actually for free from my job because it closed down and they were just trying to get rid of it. And I'm going to be painting it because I want to. Enjoy!
Shout out young Swisher.
again. It's been a couple days since I finished the desk, and with that Mod Podge, it just wasn't holding up. Like, I would put my iced coffee down on the desk and it would leave a white ring, like in the Mod Podge, I guess. Well, then I did some research and found out that it wasn't waterproof. So I did go and get this, which is polyacrylic protective finish, and it's water-based and it's a clear semi-gloss. I just followed the directions on the back of this, and I think I did about 3 coats of this on the entire desk, and it's been a long time since I finished painting it, but it's been holding up really well, and I've tested it with the iced coffee, and I no longer am seeing the little rings on there. I felt like it would be repetitive if I filmed myself like putting that on. Like, you already know what it looks like if I'm painting the whole thing. It's just exactly where I put the Mod Podge. So yeah, this is how it turned out. For watching this video, I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave it with a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, I will leave them here. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.